World's top 5 calmest dogs. 5. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a beloved dog breed recognized for its friendly and affectionate personality, making it an ideal companion for families and individuals. 4. Irish Wolfhound. The Irish Wolfhound is one of the largest and oldest dog breeds in the world, known for its gentle and friendly disposition, often described as a gentle giant. 3. Pekingese. The Pekingese is a small Chinese toy dog breed known for its distinctive appearance and loyal, independent personality. 2. Tibetan Spaniel. The Tibetan Spaniel is a small dog breed with Tibetan origins, valued for its friendly and alert personality, distinctive appearance, and historical role as a companion and sentinel in Tibetan monasteries. 1. Boerboel. The Boerboel is a large, powerful breed of dog from South Africa, recognized for its protective and loyal nature, making it a popular choice for guarding and as a family companion.